Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best action cameras capture every moment in stunning detail. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Sham SJ11 Active 4K Action Camera. Capture your adventures with the SJ11 featuring a 2.33-inch touchscreen, 5G Wi-Fi, and HDR video. Waterproof and ideal for sports, this action cam delivers high-quality footage. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Ultra HD 4K/60 FPS Pro Action Camera. Take your sports videos to the next level with this Ultra HD 4K/60 FPS camera. Equipped with a 24MP Sony 386 fisheye lens, Wi-Fi connectivity, and anti-shake technology, it excels underwater up to 30 meters. At number 3. Insta360 GO3 Lightweight Action Camera. The portable Insta360 GO3 is hands-free, mountable anywhere, and offers versatile POV shots. This small yet powerful camera ensures stabilized and immersive footage for your adventures. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Dual Screen 5K Action Camera with the IS. Explore the world in high resolution with the 2-inch IPS Dual Screen Action Camera. Shoot 5K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 48MP EIS video with optional filter lens. It doubles as a 1080p webcam and a Wi-Fi-enabled sports cam. At number 1. Insta360 X3 Waterproof Action Camera. Immerse yourself in the world of action with the Insta360 X3. Waterproof and equipped with 48MP sensors, it captures 5.7K 360 active HDR video and stunning 72MP 360 photos. Experience 4K single-lens excellence in a compact design.